What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Corey T, and today, I'm here to update you guys on my stock portfolio. Well, first thing first, let's take care of a few housekeeping things. Today's video is sponsored by TwinSells. They gave me this amazing cup, affordable. I'll put the link in my description. And I appreciate this, man. Like, Corey, y'all see my name. Corey, let me get a little juice. Let me get a little juice real quick. Refreshing. But basically they sell the bottles, TwinSells, and they'll put your name on it. It comes in different fonts. What else we got? It comes in different fonts, colors, and it's a good little gift just to kind of say, hey, here you go. Y'all see it, Corey? Y'all see it? Ooh, Corey. You know what I should do? I should have put Corey T. But anyway, that's besides the point. But with that being said, man, this would be a good gift to, just to give it somebody if they, want to need a water bottle or want the name on it. It's very personal and kind of customizable in a sense, especially with my name on it. I kind of rock with that. So you'll see this guy in the corner. But like I said, the link will be in the description below. And like I said, man, I support those who support me. So once again, thank you. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. My stock portfolio right now, $3,410.46. Total gain is 475. Let me go to my daily return before I show you guys that. Daily return, some of my stocks did kind of go up a little bit. You got Sono, you got Grove, I'm gonna let you see it. You see it. I ain't gotta see it. And some of them just kind of coasted and kind of just went down just a touch, but not too mad. Let me go to my total return, show you guys what's really going on. Grove, I'm up to 128, so I'm not too mad about it. Smile Direct was down and they went up. Yeah, they was down and they went up today about 8%. Can't be mad about that either. And honestly, people keep asking me, well, what's the next move? What the plan is for the week? What the plan is for the next week or so? Honestly, man, I just want my portfolio to grow. I haven't even decided to invest in anything further. However, the Discord group have, kind of been dropping little nuggets on different, stocks and things like that. One stock was C3 AI. I don't know if you guys know, but AI is the future. So with that being said, y'all need to start to look for, these futuristic, stocks, I would say. AI is kind of heading in the direction of being weird, but also it's money in it. So that's why they keep pushing it. Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you. So check out all the AI stocks, kind of do your research. I will, in my next video, I'm putting it on wax now. In my next video, I will be breaking down how I do my unorthodox research. And notice I said unorthodox because my research is something that I kind of put in my head and how I maneuver. And I definitely will be breaking that down step by step in a sense. It's nothing you never heard before, maybe a few things slightly, but for the most part, just kind of do research on the company and, before you get into it. That's all I say. One stock, as you see on the screen now, C3 AI is a stock that was mentioned in Discord. With AI coming around, it's the future, y'all. So with that being said, don't be left in the past. You don't have to be like for AI, but you can be for AI in the sense of the stock market, because this stock and this company is just one of a few that involves AI, and it will eventually probably get to that top side. Right now, just starting out, so who knows what it might do in the future. I brought it up because it was one that I thought about investing in. The other day they were, up a good decent amount, could have made some money from it, especially when the group actually kind of called in and said, hey, y'all check this stock out. I'm already invested, or I'm about to invest. And as soon as they invested, it kind of went up. So I was like, man, kind of missed that. But at the same time, it's down 3%. It's really not a bad time to get in. I'm gonna just say that. And, just kind of look at it. Just, I like to say, follow it before you get into it. So follow it just to have it on your list, your wish list, excuse me. So I say just follow the stock to add it to your wish list, and if you ever decide to pull the trigger on it after you do your research, then it's up to you. My wish list is kind of long. I'm following a ton of stocks, but let me say this, guys. I'm gonna say it one time. Just because the stock is down does not mean you cannot make money from it. Just because the stock is going down, I know this sounds very backwards, but just because it's been down, let's say a week, 11%, then it's down a day, 4%. That does not mean you cannot make money from the stock, because eventually what goes up must come down. What goes down must come up. It is what it is. Discord. Oh, see, Discord going off right now. But overall, what I'm trying to say is, don't just be bamboozled like, oh, I'm going to go to Rumble because they're up 10% and they should keep going up. Rumble was at 866 and now it's at 934. 934. The highest it went today was 10. I know I seen a 10 somewhere. 1001. But yep. The highest it went today was 1001 and now it's down to 934. It went back down. However, it can still go back up. Or it could drop back down further. Let's even see. But to me, Rumble is currently at a high price right now. Let's go to Rumble stock price. Let's see what happens. After market hours, they start averaging out at 943. They closed at 934. So it has went up. Imagine if you put money in now, not telling you to do that, not a financial advisor, but if you put money in now and then you wake up in the morning and it continues to go up, you can make money from it. However, in a month it did go down, and within a year it has went down. You cannot use my method of, 17 to 5 to 13 to 10. Because tomorrow you might put in and it might drop down. And be like, wait a minute, I thought it was going to keep going up. You see it said 13, right? And then went to 10. So that's not really still going up. It's technically dropping. This is when you need to find that sweet spot. I call it the sweet spot, man. And that's when you decide to invest. That's if you decide to pull the trigger on your investment. And if it's something you want to just keep following for the week to come, I recommend it. So that's just a little word of advice. Also, I do want to say this too. There was another person in Discord who bought a stock. I'm going to say Grove because it was Grove. I think it was like $500, $200. Let's just say it was $200, right? Or in this case, I'm going to just hit 100. Please make sure you guys are paying attention to the approximate share price. Right now it's at 47 cents. Approximate shares, 212. If I go to here, I think I just had it up. It closed at 49 cents. You see that say approximate 47, right? Make sure you are paying attention to all the aftermarket and before market things, because it could affect your price. Notice it says approximate. However, what I didn't like about this case scenario was they were trying to charge him 0.55, 55 cent per share. And in reality, it was not 55 cent. It didn't hit 55 cent for that entire, I would say, the past 3 days. It wasn't nowhere near 55 cent. It was around the 47 cent mark range. So when he bought it, the order went in, it was scheduled. However, it said the approximate share price is 55 cents. So they charged him for that share price. And in reality, it didn't never hit that share price. So I say all that to say this. Please make sure when you are purchasing a stock that it corresponds with the current price and or at the market price. In his case, it didn't correspond with no price. So that was a big red flag. And he could have canceled the order. Like, hey, wait, they're trying to charge me 55 cents. Let me cancel this order before it get filled. But he had, bought it. Next morning, it was like, wait a minute. Holy crap. It's 55 cents. I can't even cancel it. The order already been filled. Let me go ahead and take my money out. So that's probably the best thing to do. In that case, I was like, hey, man, you need to contact CashApp or somebody because something ain't right. That's like me saying, you see this, I was at 50 right there. If it was like this, right, and I had bought shares at 55 cents a share, and it never hit 55 cents. How, Sway? How? So it was weird. But that's that. With that being said, y'all be careful out here, man. Y'all don't get bamboozled by these people. But once again, man, this is my portfolio. Like I said, I'm gonna just let it coast, let it ride for about a week or so, and then I would probably decide to invest in something further. Not sure what that is, and I'm not even sure if I want to invest in something new. I might just invest more into one of these stocks that I currently have, but we shall see. I appreciate y'all for sliding through. This your boy Corey T, and shout out to the Discord, man. We had 70 members. I appreciate all the support and love, and y'all. I don't say this to say come join our Discord, but I do want to say this, man. The people that are within the Discord, and I really mean this, man. They be putting out so many different things, more than I can keep up with sometimes. Cause I'm like, wait a minute, hold up, boy, y'all be on to something over here. Like, Discord family locked in. But I do want to say one thing about the Discord community. Man, the people that are in this group, and this is what made me proud, right? This is what made me proud. The people that are in this group, real deal, be dropping left and right. J-Rob, one shout out to J-Rob. He put me on this stock right here, right? So I just been kind of watching it. Currently, this stock is down, but it is a good investment. This is one of those futuristic stocks as well, that I would say. I'm just waiting for the right moment to invest, but I will have this. Let me show you guys. I got it on my list. Where it's at. It was down, I think, 4% today. Yeah, it is on my list. However, I already know what time it is. Y'all see that pattern, right? It's finna flatten out and get back right. I already know what time it is, so I might look into that one. So big shout out to him. This will be one of the ones I'll probably talk about in the coming videos or near future. I'm not going to pull a plug. I'm not going to pull a trigger on it yet, but it'd be stuff like this. You know, hit me up and say, hey, Corey, check this stock out. Let me know what you think. And that's exactly what happened. So I've been on the lookout for that when I'm following it. So when that time come, you know, a video will come. But it's just things like that where if somebody can bring it to my attention, which they do, you know, we can rock out. And once again, these are we can rock out. So you got all kind of, you know, different ones. One they talked about today inside the group was this tech company as well. Not a bad stock. My investment, $6. He done made $6 from it. So who's to say this stock can continue to climb? And who posted this? Harpy Goon. I think I'm saying that right. Harpy Goon posted this, and you already got a $6 profit. People like, well, $6 ain't a lot. By the time it get to where it need to get, $6 gonna be more than enough. It's probably be more than $6 in reality. So, and any profit is a profit. So that's that. And this is just to use this as an example, just something that he kind of dropped in, like, hey, there's something I invested in. Y'all might want to check it out. It went up today, went down today, it did loop the loop, whatever. Hey, same stuff I do to y'all. I come to y'all with stuff. Hey, invest and grow, Rick. Not a financial advisor, but put these on your wish list, man. I'm telling you, you won't regret it, because at the end of the day, you got to follow something. And I want to show you guys this, and I never really talk about the comments that really be hitting home for your boy, but check this out. I got somebody. I'm gonna give him a shout out, man. Jesse Cross, right? So he said, "Listen, nephew." He said, "Nephew." My boy said, "I'm very proud of what you are doing. Most people say they are scared to start YouTube, and you are doing the damn. Oh, I can't say that. You are doing the dang thing. Oh, we gotta keep it clean, bit dog. Get by the time it. Anyways, yeah, I don't want my video to get flagged, so I'm gonna say dang thing. I might have to block it out too. Anyways, anyway, I couldn't help but share what a supportive woman you have to gratitude your audience and especially your Discord. I'm the oldest OG subscribing, so they say you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but you can't teach a dead dog anything. So don't let anybody drip on your leg. And it says it's raining. Now let's get it. And he said, hey, Neff, it's Sunday. Waiting on some guidance for the week. So with that being said, man, it'd be stuff like that kind of really kind of humble me, you know, in a sense, and I appreciate it because at the end of the day, I realized that people really did come to the video like, Cora, what's next? My God, what's next? I mean, today I only said I'm trying to let my portfolio build, but I'm still gonna drop. Okay, go check out this stock. Go check out this stock. Regardless, you can invest, you cannot invest. Just keep watching what I'm doing, and you know we'll get to the top. And then somebody said, hey man, I just started a couple days ago. I've been watching your videos and I've been learning from them. Thank you. I appreciate what you do. Come on, man. It's stuff like that make me want to. That's why I don't do this to be like, oh, I'm trying to get money and I'm trying to get rich. We all trying to get to the money. And that ain't, put that out the window. It's the fact that people like, they rock with me. So I rock with y'all, and I try my best to stay up on it. So with that being said, that's what I got for y'all today. Much love, and I appreciate the support. Let's go.